What is good, fuckers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another trade recap analysis on SPX. Today's video is going to be really short. I don't really have a lot of time to do this right now. I'm kind of in a rush. I'll try to make this as understandable as possible for you guys to understand, right? Because I know you guys are little fucking retards and you can't understand shit. So I'll try to make it as understandable as I can. First and foremost, let's look at what we have on the news. So Monday, we have Tuesday and Monday and Tuesday, we have accumulation, okay, because Wednesday we have FOMC coming out. Now, these FOMC reports, it's not Mr. Powell that's speaking, okay? It's not him. He's not speaking, but there are FOMC red folders coming out, so that's important. Thursday, we have unemployment claims. That's very important. We're going to be expecting a big rate of that. And Friday, we have PMI. So there's a lot of news from Wednesday to Friday. So accumulation from Monday to Tuesday is a perfect way to put it. On Friday, we had this huge leg down because of, is it PMI? What was it? It was some kind of news. Absolutely tear down the market. Even if you look at the 1 day, man, oh man, did we get crushed. I mean, we got crushed. We have this daily fair value gap. We're trading out of this fair value gap now. We hit this this bullish order block here. We rejected that order block. Basically took this sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, my bad. Came all the way down, and now we formed this like displacement, right? Huge displacement. So we wanted to see price kind of retrace back into this displacement, which we saw today. And this move up, as you saw today, was this retracement. I doubt that this will go any lower. It really does want, it looks like it wants to retrace even higher. I mean, you see this fair value gap. This is huge. This is a huge price gap. Price needs to come back here to go lower if it wants to do anything. Either hit this, come back to this liquidity, which it's far probable, to be honest. I don't think that's going to come back up here anytime soon. But it does want to get into a fair value gap or a smaller fair value gap up here. As we saw in the 1 hour, we did hit a 1 hour order block. Notice pre-market. This is part of the down move. We had this little order block formed, bearish order block. Daily open down here, comes all the way down here, sweeps its own liquidity. Boom, pre-market liquidity comes up, creates this fair value gap for a retracement down. Fair value gap, then you have a 15-minute order block that's not filled. Boom. You have a market structure shift to the upside. Boom. You get that shift up. You take that order block out. No sell, no buy side was taken. Just the order block was rejected. Boom. Come down where? Into the 30-minute fair value gap. Even in the 15-minute fair value gap here that it respects down here. Let me just put it all for y'all right here. Respects this fair value gap, trades above it, right? So no trades was taken. Our bias, right? I didn't really have a bias. Our bias was just to wait for price to go one direction. After I saw this sweep right here with these lows, I was like, okay, this is going to go up. I knew it was going to target daily open, right? Because we knew that we needed to somehow target some kind of PD array in the premium, right? So premium to go short. And what that means is if you look at the swing low, let's see if I can demonstrate it. I actually probably don't think I can. From this here to this swing low, discount premium. So we want to be in this range to go short, if that makes sense. So we took this swing high to this swing low. Let me just put it here like this, just so you can see better. So we took this swing high to this swing low, right? And that means that our range to go short would be in this green area, in this premium, right? So that means that price, instead of shorting it down here, which a lot of you probably did, instead of shorting, actually, no, didn't I do this? I swear to God, I think I took a trade pre-market and I fucking lost. Yeah, I did. Today I did trade. Yeah, my trade was like something like this, if I remember well. It was like down here. It was something like this, above these highs or some shit, and then like targeting like down here on the swing low. I had this trade going for me, and I got stopped out because I realized the bias and I was wrong. But I also looked at, right, the swing low, swing high. I'm in the discount area. That means that this is perfect for calls and not puts. This is the exact opposite. Forgot to do that. I got fucked. That's my mistake. I lost like 50 bucks. I was out really, really quickly. But yeah, again, hit this bearish PD array inside this premium zone, which is perfect for a good risk reward short, position, if you will. So, highs up here, boom. What are you targeting? You're targeting this fair value gap. Nice little 8-to-2 risk reward ratio. Nice little short. Tomorrow I don't really like, I want to trade these days, right? But what I've been noticing with these videos too is I've gone back to analysis, and I would take a trade because I want to get in the market. Does that make sense? I want to get into the market so bad that I will force myself to take a trade. I will literally just go, okay, here's the daily open, here's the sweep, here's the liquidity, enter the moment you see a fair value gap, right? That's literally my mind 24/7. What I don't understand is, like, I don't understand how I cannot do that, right? I don't know how to force myself to not do that anymore. What I need to force myself to literally, like, draw the discount, draw the OT, like swing, swing high, swing low, whatever. Where's the reversal point? Where's the non-reversal point? Where's the area I should enter? Where's the external buy side liquidity? Where's the external sell side liquidity? Where's the internal liquidity? Where's the voids? There's a bunch of stuff to mark out where the PD is. There's a lot to look at. I haven't marked anything on QQQ. Actually, have I? No, this kind of just traded above. Well, actually, look at this QQQ. QQ. I don't know what happened on Monday. This is some pre-market. I don't know what happened. Probably some other news. Well, I did fill everything actually. That's funny. Yeah. Sell side down here. Took out the sell side. Right. I love QQQ. I know Keegan. I don't know if you guys know Keegan, but Keegan is a very good friend of mine. For not only trading, but just a really good friend of mine too. He does trading too, and he trades QQQ, I believe, a lot more than I do. I look at QQQ for these levels. Like, just look at this. This is sell side liquidity down here that we don't have on SPX. In pre-market, not only does it get swept, but then in real market opens and it pumps. What does it pump? It parks to this I guess either it's like a order block, but on SPX it went higher. On SPX it went to this order block up here, right? This green line, but on QQQ it went down here. But you see how it swept here, and I had a bias now. Oh, my bias is bullish because QQQ just got bullish. Like, that's what I use QQQ for, right? I don't trade it. I just fucking use it for direction and bias, right? Like, we didn't have, unless I missed it, we didn't have, our only sell side was down here, and we didn't get really to these lows, right? I wanted to get down here. This is why I had, the swing low down here. So we didn't get near it. This is what I'm trying to say. At least pre-market or anything. So that's that for the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll take a better trade and I'll do a better analysis. I'll just get this video up real quick. I'll see you guys tomorrow.